Do you know why Python is a bad programming language?
He also recommends ML, a language many people have never even heard of. Python is easy to learn.
What is Python good for?
Python is not a great language in terms of building massive yet elegant applications. However, it is good enough for solving an applied math problem or creating a first app.
Python can be embedded in other programs as well as get used to build new ones.
I'd rather just use a language that's suited to the job.
I've heard of people using Python instead of shell scripting like Bash.
Shell scripting and Bash in particular can be used on any machine. Python isn't that flexible.
What do people use Python for, then?
Python lets you scrape web pages, build games, solve math equations and plot the results.
That's pretty much basic stuff. What makes Python unsuitable for a particular application or purpose?
Python is slow, primarily due to the interpreter. It creates elegant code, but the simplicity means it lacks a lot of advanced functions.
A lack of functionality does not make my life simpler.
For example, you can't thread primitives or kernel code. It lacks user-defined value types too.
I heard Python had a lot of supporting resources in its favor.
More than Lua or CoffeeScript, sure. But Python lacks the third-party tools and documentation of languages like Java and PHP.
Yet it is widely used. You can get a job almost anywhere with it.
Here's another downside: the index is a disaster.
Well, at least you found another reason not to use Python.
And Python does not let you distinguish between declaring a variable and using it. It lets you write variables that aren't declared and even accidentally overwrite a variable without erroring.
And, if I'm not wrong, is another reason not to use Python.
It is an aptly named snake in the grass.